I'm going to show you how you can edit a decision you've made after you've made it. So I'm making a component for an aluminum extruded part. I sketch out the measurements of the part that I want to make, which I'm then going to extrude. On a surface, I'm going to extrude another section of this model. But I made a mistake when I was doing it the first time around. I accidentally, when I went to extrude the part, did it as a new body. So it created two new bodies there instead of joined it to the existing body. And I also noticed that I made a mistake where that part in the middle, that will not print. It's too thin. So I can go back into the sketch and change the sketch and make it a bit smaller just by retyping in the number. But you notice how it brought it in evenly? It's because didn't define both the length and the width. I only defined one angle and it just shortened it all. So then when I go to put a fillet on this edge, I noticed from my action that it was undercut, which means that it's not part, it's a separate part. It took me a few seconds to figure out what I had done wrong. And then I could go into to open up the folder where it says bodies. And I could see that it was made up of several bodies. And that made me realize, oh, I got to go back into the original extrusion that I did, the second extrusion I did, and change it to joined instead of bodies. Then when I add the fillet later, it works properly. So that's how you can go back into the timeline and double click on one of the events that you created and make a change to it.